Hi and hello everyone. This is your Dr. Q multitasking. Right now I am in Uzbekistan, and you can see my behind. That's my hotel where I am staying, the International Hotel. Uzbekistan is all of us very well aware. It's very famous because of its culture, because of Bukhara, Samarkand, Tashkent. So I visited here multiple times earlier in the past, but my today's visit, this visit is particularly based on a delegation, based on a to boost the economy of Pakistan, because there is a delegation of 150 people coming to Uzbekistan through TDEP and Ministry of Commerce. So there are many industries are involved, mainly engineering, textile, rice, food, and pharmaceutical as well. So I'm representing pharmaceutical, and I am here, and inshallah the event will kick off from Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then I'll keep you posted how it goes. So inshallah, keep praying. I hope that everything will go good and everything will be for the benefit of Pakistan, for Pakistan industries, and the friendship of Pakistan and Uzbekistan, inshallah, will keep growing. And inshallah, if visit is going to be productive, then inshallah in future you will see more videos in this regard. Thank you. Okay.
Which channel? You're from India?
Я из Пакистана.
Пакистан?
Да. Сейчас много людей снимают на YouTube канал,
Да.
везде. У меня нет много времени, потому что ты знаешь, я врач-педиатр. Да.
Really? In Tashkent?
Нет, в Пакистане. Но я учился из России. И сейчас я говорю русский язык через 20 лет. 20 лет я ни с кем не говорил.
Серьезно?
Да. Что?
Я бы тоже английский не знал, если бы не учил. Я сам поступил в
So
Сингапур.
you speak good English, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Because you know, you have to speak English, because not only in Uzbekistan, you go overseas, you go abroad, you find lots of common things when speaking English. No, otherwise it's problematic.
I have one big dream.
But
To fly Spain.
Spain is beautiful place, especially Barcelona.
Yeah, I want to say this.
Yeah. Barcelona is superb place to be. I love
was?
it. Yeah, I was there multiple
You
times.
visit Camp Nou?
Yeah, I visit Barcelona in. Okay, so here you can see chairlifts within the park. I mean the Japanese park, so called. And you can see behind there's a tower. They call it the Bolshoi Bashnia. It means the biggest tower for their local TV channel, I believe, for the national TV channel, I rather. So look at around. So this is one thing we are missing in Pakistan. We are not developing a green sense in people. When it's green, it's clean, it's healthy, and it's oxygenates you even more than anything. So I wish that we do develop more and more like this. We are definitely experiencing it same in Bahria town, because the way Bahria town is going forward, it's all look awesome, but it has to be implemented in across the Pakistan, I believe. So we are in Tashkent, and a very famous bazaar called Koilek. Though very limited people knows about this particular place, and I was lucky to come here just because thanks to my one of very good friend Kamal, and he bought me this, and I did some shopping as well, and I suggest whoever comes here, if you need some economical shopping, please don't waste your time to go other places. Just come here and enjoy and have a good shopping, because this is the place where you will find everything under the one roof. So I will keep you posted for more videos. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Hi everyone. So I'm at Mega Planet. You can see at my back side that it's a Mega Planet. Uh, nice place, good crowd, and so it seems to be a rush hour. You will see lots of people are around, and I hope that I'll come in a daytime as well to see how it looks like. So I got late, though it's working till 11 o'clock, but still a nice place to be. Hi everyone, I'm at Mega Planet. The evening time, it looks so beautiful, and I just came out from the mall. I just want to share here one thing to all of you. It's very funny. So far I have invested, rather spent around 2 million पाकिस्तानी 20 लाख रुपए मैं अभी तक खर्च कर चुका हूँ. एयरपोर्ट से होटल का जो रास्ता था वो 10-15 मिनट का था, तो मैंने एयरपोर्ट वाले को पैसे दिए तो उसने 3 लाख रुपए लिए. 3 लाख. उसके बाद फिर मैंने तकरीबन 31,000 की सिम ख़रीदी है, और उसके बाद फिर मैंने खाना खाया है तकरीबन 45,000 रुपये का. तो अब आप लोग सोच सकते हैं कि 2 दिन के अंदर, और मेरा 1 दिन का होटल का जो वो है पर डे होटल की जो कॉस्ट है वो आ रही है तकरीबन 15 लाख रुपए. सो डोंट बी स्केर्ड, डोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड. दिस इज़ जस्ट वेरी नॉर्मल इन उज़्बेकिस्तान बिकॉज देयर करेंसी इज़ वेरी डाउन, and that's quite normal. So when you come here, don't be scared that you have to spend so much money. No, it's not like that. Only their currency is so much down, so that's why it's happening. Thank you.
So you see here how the evenings are looks like in Uzbekistan. Normally some sort of small dancing fountain we normally see are much better than in the area of Karachi. But at least something is good, because they do have such things in every area, I believe. Because so far I have seen already 4 or 5 fountains being performing like this, and people are gathering. I think it's normal in evening time in Uzbekistan. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so I am going in. Let's see what we find inside. Though the entrance is very impressive, gives me an impression like Turkey, the mosque like in Turkey. You find similar infrastructure or architecture stuff. So that's how we enter into the bazaar. All the sausages, cheese, all other stuff we are look forward. So I'll try to cover one by one, and we'll see how my visit goes. Hi everyone. So I'm at Chorsu Bazaar, Uzbekistan. You can see this is the main entrance of Chorsu Bazaar, and a very famous one. People says that if you need economical shopping, if you want to buy some stuff, be it shoes, clothes, dry fruit, or whatever, they say this is the best place to come and visit. And Chorsu Bazaar definitely looks like, because I have done some shopping already here, and that's my brat. Uzbekistan की बरात. Pakistan जिंदाबाद. Okay. So I just came to first floor, and just look at how nicely built or constructed. So soothing to the eyes. On the ground floor, you find meat, beef, chicken, sausages, cheese, dairy stuff, and this first floor looks like dedicated to a dry fruit only. So superb quality dry fruit seems to be, and one should try.
Zira.
No, no one.
Zafaran is zafaran.
Thank you. So you can see I have seen here. So we are in Tashkent, and a very famous bazaar called Koilek. Though very limited people knows about this particular place, and I was lucky to come here just because thanks to my one of very good friend Kamal, and he brought me this, and I did some shopping as well, and I suggest whoever comes here, if you need some economical shopping, please don't waste your time to go other places. Just come here and enjoy and have a good shopping, because this is the place where you will find everything under the one roof. So I will keep you posted for more videos. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.
हम फ्राइडे को ना पुलाई खाते हैं।
It's a great honor to have you. It's a privilege to be a part of your visit in our country, and we very much hope that you will enjoy your stay, that you enjoyed it so far. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation.
Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. I'm gonna cheers.